Hi everybody, I have a Ender 5 Plus that I wanted to upgrade the tensioners on because the 5 Plus doesn't come with anything standard. So I looked around for a little bit and didn't find a great video, so I decided to make one and start a YouTube channel, so bear with me. So first, to swap these out for tensioners instead of just pulleys, you just undo those 3 bolts and make sure you're going the right direction. It's a pretty simple process to do. That's probably why there aren't any videos. But I found a pretty good product on Amazon, and I'll link that down below for you. It is really sturdy. It's made of an aluminum and plastic composition. Really easy to install, and it makes your adjusting of your tensioner super easy. So I'll throw the part number on the screen here, and I'll also put a link down in the description. It's pretty nice, and I'll show you the adjustment range is pretty good. Super easy to take apart and clean if you ever need to, or replace parts. Very high quality. Hopefully this helps out somebody, and you can use this same exact one, all 3 axis, on the Ender 5 Plus. So I'll let the video keep rolling, and you have a great day. Thanks.